It's AumSum time!
Why do we snore? Snoring occurs when air struggles to move freely through our nose and throat during sleep, causing the surrounding tissues to vibrate. This happens for various reasons. Firstly, nasal congestion from allergies or colds can block the airway. Secondly, when we sleep on our back, our tongue may block the airway. Thirdly, excess weight can add pressure to our neck, thus narrowing the airway. Lastly, age also plays a role, as throat muscles weaken over time, thus making snoring likely. What if Earth lost its oxygen? Oxygen is a crucial element in photosynthesis, a process by which plants produce food. If Earth lost its oxygen, plants may now have to go on a hunger strike. Oxygen forms ozone in the Earth's stratosphere, which blocks harmful UV radiation from the sun. If Earth lost its oxygen, planet Earth will be in a lot of trouble. Liquid oxygen is used as an oxidizer in rocket fuel. If Earth lost its oxygen, rockets may start falling down. What if we were made of glass? Glass is used in mirrors because it can reflect light. If we were made of glass, people may start using us as mirrors. Glass is 100% recyclable. If we were made of glass, even we may get recycled. Specialized glass can help protect us from sun's rays. If we were made of glass, even we may now be used for the same. What if chocolates disappeared?
Wait a minute. Let me first finish all my chocolates.
Oh, AumSum! Dark chocolate contains antioxidants that can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. If chocolates disappeared, hospitals may get overcrowded. Chocolate contains stimulants like caffeine and theobromine that can improve short-term brain function. If chocolates disappeared, some people may start performing rather poorly. When we eat chocolate, our brain produces endorphins, which can improve mood and reduce stress. If chocolates disappeared, our stress levels may suddenly increase. What if we were made of plastic?
No big deal. Even AumSum is made of plastic.
Oh, AumSum! Firstly, if we were made of plastic, we will not get electric shocks anymore. Secondly, if we were made of plastic, our bones will not break easily anymore. Lastly, if we were made of plastic, we will not get burnt easily anymore.